Hello guys, right, this is an hourly close trade and then a 15-minute close trade, and they're all lined up together and you can see what's going on. So Latouche or LL Touche or whatever however you pronounce your name, you asked me about elaborate on RRR, risk reward ratio. Well, I would rather risk £100 a point and make 600 points in a trade like that than risk £1 a point and go for 600 points. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So there you are. It's elaborated on. I took the trade, had to stop. The less time you're in the market, the less stressed you are. The less stressed you are, the less likely you are to take crappy trades. ICT teaches people to take crappy trades. SMC teaches people to take crappy trades. Swing traders have to have a ton of money in their accounts in order to make money. And they have to have a certain mentality. I haven't got that mentality. And I know ICT with 500k followers, all those noobs will not have that mentality either. Now, I've taken probably about 30 odd trades today, on and off. I've been swimming, I've been walking, I've walked 10 miles. You can see, look what's happened. It's hit a area of supply and it's staggered. Now, why would I want to worry about getting 100 points out of this move, or like I said, 1,000 points, when I can take multiple trades every swing, because I am a precision trader, precision scalper. That's what scalpers are. Trading is no different than any skill learned. Whether you're a surgeon, whether you're an architect, they take 5 years and plus training. I mean, it's unbelievable what architects have to do, to be honest with you. Musicians, sports people, top athletes. I don't put myself anywhere near those sort of skill levels. But you don't need to be a world-class scalper to make money. You just need to understand the markets and understand how they move. I mean, look at this thing. We've got the multi-time frame RSI histo dashboard here, just begging me to check out US Tech, US 100, to see whether there's a trade there. Well, I know there will be, and everything here says go for it. Look left. I do that mainly for you guys on YouTube and followers and stuff, and then we look for a similar setup here. The ADR's fine. The main trend is fine. We're on a 1 minute chart, remember, and I've just made £60,000, 60 points, whatever you want to put it. I haven't, because I'm not like all these scammers online. I'm not interested in posting the amounts of money I make. It's all about the pips, and then you decide how much you want to make. £6, £60, £6,000, £600, £6,000, £60,000. Eventually, you will build up. Whether you build up the size of your positions in terms of money, or whether you build up gradually your confidence to go for slightly more pips. This move here, we've got Dean's lines on the charts. It could easily go up to this level, and bearing in mind for this I took 60. It was a fast scalp. There's 322 there, or 322, 3,312, whatever, to that level. So and Dean's lines are good. So that's your answer. There was another question you asked for about, because this is me, I don't have to type then, do I? Hate typing. You asked about the TMA slope. TMA slope is on. It's free. It's on the Forex Factory. Just search it, or you can find it via my pinned tweet on Twitter. So of the same name as this channel. So that's it. You know, I am only here not to rip the scammers a new arse, as it were. I'm here to try and help people avoid getting scammed by these people. And the problem is, someone with 150, 200, 500,000 followers is very influential. It's hard to say that. Is very influential, and they are basically influencing people in the wrong direction. I'm just trying to influence people in the right direction. The other thought I had while I was driving around just now is that people will, everyone expects to be able to just open their charts and trade. They all look at these fair value gaps and all these liquidity hunts and all that sort of thing and think it's the RRR thing, and think it is the holy grail. It isn't. It's absolute BS. And all of these traders that have written these books, all they're interested in taking your money off of noobs. They are not there to help traders. Even if I do intend to start charging, I do intend to start mentoring, I truly believe that I can save people fortunes of money by understanding what I do. You know, I've uploaded thousands and thousands of examples of the same setup, day in, day out. As things have progressed, I've added more high probability by adding the new bits, because it's all been done in a calculated way. So what can I say, really? I've answered all your questions, and I've shown you a trade, and don't believe what I do. You don't have to listen to a thing I say. Test it yourself. That's what I say to everyone now. Test, test, test. If you have ideas, don't marry a trading method, just like you can't marry a trade. You can only learn from every different trading method and trade what works for you. If swing trading works for you, trend trading works for you, then do it. ICT works for you, SMC works for you, do it. And I hope it does. I wish you all the best. I can't swing trade for toffee, but I can scalp day in, day out. You know, if you've calculated where the price should go on a H1 or H4 chart, or a daily or a weekly chart, or whatever, then it stands to reason. Every perfect pullback, every perfect entry after a pullback to your designated daily target, for all the reasons mentioned, then you can hit it, can't you? So why wait for one stupid ICT trade, or one, stupid SMC trade, or all the other guys that say don't trade Mondays, don't trade Fridays, don't trade bank holidays, don't trade Christmas Day, Boxing Day, don't trade Sundays on BTC, don't trade, find reasons to trade, not to trade. Okay, sorry for the preach, but I got the hump today after watching one of those stupid videos online, so it's fired me up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and thanks for everyone for all the comments on YouTube and stuff. I can't keep up with Twitter, YouTube, and all my own trading and stuff outside of those two social media things. So thanks everyone for commenting, and it is very much appreciated. and I wish you all the best with your green pips.